Oh my gosh. Honda, why are you hesitating?
Because that person was driving really slow in front of him.
Asshole, huh?
Oh God, what the fuck?
Come on. Come on.
Just go! Trashing our car?
What a piece of shit. Going out that fast. There's another one.
What the fuck?
And one behind us, too.
Nobody pays attention these days anymore.
Asshole! What the heck is your problem, Kia? What a piece of shit. Cutting me off like that, almost causing a few accidents in the process. Jeez Louise. Look at this little Prius, ladies and gentlemen, going in and out of traffic, going in and out of the fast lane, just to get ahead of this Cadillac on our left, this Escalade. Surely looks like transporting somebody very important. Just to go a few miles an hour, that's about it. Asshole! Damn Prius! Learn how to drive! My gosh! What a nut job! Whoa! What an idiot! See that, ladies and gentlemen? That guy is an asshole. He realized he's going to miss his exit. He cut around 3 lanes. Or 2 lanes. Right there is a public nut, ladies and gentlemen. Asshole! You're towing a trailer. Moving over freeway lanes, not even using a turn signal. And your right light in the back is out. Look at that. Shame on you, buddy. Shame. Asshole! This guy is going over 100. What a public nut.
License plate 02781S3.
Yeah, that guy's a piece of shit right there. We're back to the speed limit now, 70. But that guy was going over 100 miles an hour. What a piece of shit. Oh my gosh! Did you all just see that? I just saw that gold colored car just made a sudden stop. And this truck just slammed right in the back. You see, ladies and gentlemen, driving in Southern California freeways is very dangerous. That's why you always have to be alert, and most importantly, drive defensively and use your turn signals.